My name is Dr. Angie Sadeghi. I am a practicing gastroenterologist in Newport Beach, California, and I treat people with gastrointestinal diseases or digestive problems. There are a few very common complaints, including gas and bloating or abdominal distension, where people feel pregnant. They wake up with a flat belly and then they eat something or drink something and their belly swells up, quote unquote, swells up, and they get distended. That's very common. Followed by diarrhea, which means loose, frequent stools, followed by constipation, which means infrequent, hard bowel movements that look like rabbit pellets. But I would say gas and bloating is one of the most common reasons. Traditionally, when people would complain of gas and bloating, a lot of doctors attributed the problem due to irritable bowel syndrome, otherwise known as IBS, but a lot of these symptoms are actually due to lactose intolerance. People would come into my office and they suffer from gas and bloating and they say, my GI doctor said that I have IBS. And I would ask them to go on a dairy-free diet, which means that they would have to exclude anything that comes from the cow, meaning butter, yogurt, cheese, milk, cow's milk. And interestingly, they come back 30 days later and they're doing fantastic. The bloating is gone, constipation or diarrhea is gone, which of course means that they didn't really have irritable bowel syndrome in the first place and that perhaps they had an intolerance to dairy.